Alright, here we go. What's this thing? There's another one. Is this a thank you letter? Let me take a look. Ah, it is a thank you letter. Alright, let's just skim through it. The main thing is to check out the device. Let's go. Alright, as for mine, since it's a media unit, it's missing a bag. If you buy the regular retail version, you'll get an extra bag, and if you bought it during the pre-order period, there would be a bag included. The entire packaging, it's truly very nice, quite stylish, kind of like the premium packaging you would expect for a high-end smartphone. Break time equals 0.5s /. Alright, good. This is a user manual. It covers details about the buttons, joystick lights, and stuff like that, just to give you an idea. Screen mapping, joystick light charging, and so on. Take a look at these details. Alright, on top, there's an anti-rotation foam pad. Let me lower the camera angle a bit. There's another anti-rotation foam pad. And then, this is the main console itself, and this is the screen protector. Whoa, it's a bit tight. Underneath, there's a charging cable, but no charger, just the charging cable for the device. Let's take a look. Wow, this machine is huge, it's awesome. The back is sealed with tape. Phew. Wow, this machine feels great. Alright, let's take a look at the mini console. The overall texture of the device is similar to the Shadio and Odin 2. Looking at the back, and then the front, they're almost identical, but the feel of the buttons is different. The buttons use conductive rubber, and it's the same for the triggers. It's very smooth, and the whole physical button can be pressed down as a unit. Not bad. The joystick is similar to the one. Let me pull off the cap so you can take a look. See that? Put it back on. There we go. Now, looking at the bottom of the device, here you have the back and home menu buttons, and over here are dual S buttons. On the top, there's an air vent. Then, for volume control, oh damn. Hold on, let me focus on the power switch down here. Now, let's take a look at the shoulder buttons. Why does the focus keep going out? Anyway, the shoulder buttons use micro switches. You can press all of them. Really nice. You can press them like this, or like that. Both ways work. The linear triggers are quite large. Wow. Really nice, and the bottom part is also well designed. Down here, in order, there's the TF card slot. Take a look, everyone. Then, this is the microphone, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB-C charging port. These two here are definitely speakers. Nothing much to say about that. The overall build quality and feel. Honestly, for $499, you're basically getting an Odin for the price of a silly toy. Aside from its performance, which we'll test later, this episode is just a simple unboxing to show everyone. This device is really beautiful. Wow, for just $499, it's truly worth every penny. Alright, thanks to everyone for watching.